lot of individual things going on today, which is good, but we did a ton of prep in advance, so it should be pretty easy. All the meat is already rolled and set and ready to go. All the cheese is already cut for the grazing table, so it's just plating everything. So we have a raw bar going on today. Rachel will be here momentarily. She'll manage that. I will take on all of the extras for that. Charcuterie board. I feel like that's you. I feel like you got that. I feel like you can plate that nice because everything's already done. So we'll have you work on the asparagus side, and then you're gonna be support for her for the past apps. All right? So then I'm also gonna have you do the asparagus, and you'll work the fish with me. Do the dessert, and then I think, Drew, you're just gonna be, I think, supporting hands also for the hors d'oeuvres, because there's like 150 pieces of each item we gotta get out. And then I'm gonna have you just kind of float around and then see whoever needs an extra hand. We're back, reporting live from the fucking great city of Nyack. Today, we have an amazing, look at this fucking kitchen. Are you kidding me today? Look at this, this shit is insane. I actually thought about this last night while I was sleeping. That's kind of how my life is these days. I dream about it and then I wake up super early and make sure everything's packed for it to make it happen. But we are here for Alex and Sophia, good friends of mine and just great people in the community. They have a great local shop here in the food industry, just amazing people, and we are here to style them the fuck out today. We got Iberico ham legs, we got raw bars, we got strip loins, we got sea trout, we have after parties with carnitas and Philly cheesesteaks. We're here to fuck all day, non-stop. Welcome to the show. Now you're gonna put all that fish in there. Let's go, dog, let's get to work. You eat a lot of spicy salmon rolls. Great, keep tasting that until it tastes like a spicy salmon roll. Cool, but just don't eat all of it. This is an escape. This is a place of peace. For the relish. No, we never charge those. No, just the bowls we charge. I chop those raw both days. First course of the table, we are doing a whipped sheep's milk ricotta in place of the usual burrata that we serve. That's coming with the charred snap peas, chili honey, brown butter, a little bit of preserved pepper oil, and some mint. And then we have a charred escarole and grilled radicchio Caesar. Entrees themselves, saltwater trout, going with escabeche and achiote, dairy cow strip loin with ram chimichurri, charred asparagus with garlic aioli and some brown butter and cured eggs. And then we have romesco, slow roasted leeks with ajo bianco, and some ramp leaf salsa. Dessert is our spiced chocolate cake with smoked strawberries, smoked red wine syrup, a little bit of condensed milk cream, black pepper and red flake salt. And then other than that, obviously, as I said before, this group is very well versed in food. They're very versed in wine. So if they have any questions, you don't have the answers, either come to me or find Heather. Just don't give them an answer that you're making up because they'll call you out on it and it's just embarrassing. We don't want to do that. Sound good? Thanks, guys. This one time, I ate a taco inside out and it was still a taco. Well, tell her to fly in. I'm not paying for that.